If your child is just starting to learn how to read, or if you're somewhere in that messy middle, or even struggling to get going, you might feel stuck. You're trying your best, you're reading books, you're encouraging them, but something still isn't clicking. Here's the truth. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what works. And one of the most powerful ways to support early reading is actually right before bed. I'm going to tell you about the routine that I started to do for my own son, and it was the first time that I really started to see things click for him. This one routine, just 5 to 10 minutes a day, can build real lasting phonics skills, and I'll show you exactly how to do it and why it works. Bedtime gives us a powerful window to teach reading because your child is regulated, safe, and undistracted. You also might already have the routine of settling in together for a story. When you pair this time of connection with a structured phonics routine that taps into multiple areas of the brain, that's where growth happens. This isn't about making bedtime one more to do, it's about making it count. Here's what the routine looks like. Settle in and read a short picture book. This is pure connection. After reading, pull out letter cards and practice 3 to 5 letter sounds using a visual, auditory, kinesthetic, tactile drill. That's it. Just 10 minutes or less, and the payoff is huge. This is exactly what I did with my son. Night after night, these tiny little moments add up. And before long, I started to see him approach reading with confidence and curiosity instead of frustration. Now let me break this down for you further. First, you're going to settle in with them and read them a book. This is not to quiz them or to sneak in decoding. Just read a story together. You can talk about the characters, ask questions, or even wonder out loud. That builds oral language and comprehension, both essential to becoming a confident reader. This is the connection before correction part. You're not fixing anything, you're setting the stage for growth. Next, practice 3 to 5 letter sounds. You can use our early reader pack, or you can just write the letters on sticky notes or in a notebook. Then you'll use a multisensory drill that activates different parts of the brain to build strong automatic connections. This is what to do. Visual, show the letter. Auditory, say the letter name, an easy keyword, and a sound. For example, A, apple, A. Kinesthetic, tactile, trace the letter with a finger on the card, paper, or just in your hand. For example, let's work with the letter M. You would say, this is the letter M, and the keyword for M is money. The sound is M. So let's trace it as we say the letter sound equation together. M, money, M. That's how you move phonics out of the abstract and into your child's muscle memory. This routine is rooted in the Orton-Gillingham approach and the science of reading. Your child needs repeated exposure to sounds and letters, but repetition only works when it's multisensory, when it engages their brain through thought, movement, sound, and touch. That's what turns decoding into something that's automatic. And when you do it consistently, just a few minutes at night, it compounds into real growth. So here's your plan for tonight. Read a book together, practice 3 to 5 letter sounds using a multisensory drill, and that's it. No screens, no pressure, just connection and consistency. If you want to make it easier, grab a set of our early reader cards at the link below. And if you're ready for a full curriculum that follows the proven strategies of the science of reading, check out our early childhood reading curriculum. It's on our website or at the link below. You don't need to be perfect, you just need a plan that works, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. I've seen this simple bedtime routine transform my own son's reading journey, and I know it can do the same for your child too. So do me a favor and like this video, subscribe for weekly tools that actually help, and share this with a parent who's just getting started. Also, drop a comment below. What time of day is your child most open to learning?